Welcome to Bridgepoint FLL Logistics. This building was developed by Bridge Development Partners, Kevin Carroll, Aaron Herschel, Steve Polis. The whole team had a hand in making this happen. We were able to sell this land off market to Bridge Development Partners. They built two incredible buildings, 92,000 feet, 82,000 feet, a total of roughly 174,000 square feet, two building, sister building, shared truck court campus, right on Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, immediately adjacent to Port Everglades, two main economic engines of Broward County and South Florida as well. One of the most popular domestic airports in the country. Here we have Building B, which is 82,000 square feet. It's available for lease in its entirety. We have offers on multiple spaces, but for the purposes of this walkthrough tour, we wanted to make sure that anyone who called us had a red carpet tour through the building, and that's what we're gonna do. So come along with me and I'll show you the inside of the building. This is a 2,200 square foot spec office suite. It's completely finished. You've got very high ceilings. You've got two restrooms inside the office, two restrooms outside the office. You have a kitchen area, a utility closet, server room. You've got a large open area which can be studded out with individual offices or conference rooms. You do have one very large office or conference room already built, but this was designed so that we could put permanent offices in for whoever showed up. So it's maximum flexibility. Again, 2,200 square feet, ready to go. Impact glass in the offices, carpet squares, which are easily replaceable. They're fantastic. You do have nice natural light that comes in through the windows and very high quality finishes as well. So let's go check out this warehouse. Come on. So as you can see here, we've got a beautiful brand new warehouse, just finished, brand new construction, 32-foot clear heights at the lowest point below the deck. ESFR fire suppression. You've also got 50 by 50 column spacing, which is fantastic for those aisles that I know you need for all your product. You've got a 60-foot speed bay for loading for the daily traffic, and you've got 4 dock doors per bay, which is the maximum capacity that we can get you. You have 2 oversized drive-in doors at either end of the building with concrete reinforced ramps for those heavy load items, those big forklifts. You've also got LED motion sensing lighting, clerestory windows to allow some natural light into the warehouse, brand new, beautiful, pristine floors. No one's touched these floors, no one's driven on these floors, you'd be the first one. You've got 2,200 feet of spec office, and in addition to that, we do have a permit for additional spec office in either end of the building. All the loading doors are hurricane reinforced, which is fantastic. You do have impact glass in the clerestory windows, as well as the windows in either end of the building for additional office space. This is suitable for a single tenant. We're negotiating with a couple of different folks right now, but we could also break it up very easily. We could put up a wall at anywhere from 22,000 square feet, all the way up to 65,000 square feet to allow for a second or a third tenant potentially. So maximum flexibility. Bridge Development Partners is a fantastic developer. Location is paramount in this business. We understand that. This location is at the nexus of Port Everglades and FLL, or Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, two major demand drivers for our economy down here. In addition to that, you have immediate access to State Road 84, which cuts into 595, I-95, the Florida Turnpike, Sawgrass Expressway, I-75, and allows you to go anywhere in South Florida. You can go south, north, you can go to the West Coast without hitting any traffic lights. So super convenient access for distribution. You're also really close to a lot of the high dollar rooftops. So locationally, this is a superior spot to really anything else that's out there. You don't have any school zones, you don't have anything getting in your way. It's a high traffic area as far as trucking goes, so there's a lot of trucks in the area. It's very common to see distribution in this neighborhood because of the port and airport. So it's really well suited for any modern day distributor that has a lot going on and a lot of business to tend to. So we're excited that you're here. Thank you for coming with me on this tour. We appreciate your time and watching this video. Bridge Development Partners wants you to consider this space. We hope you consider it. If you have any questions, my contact information is below this video. Click the arrow down and take a look. My phone number is there. The flyer link is there so you can look at the actual flyer for the property. Again, fully available, ready to go, brand new, CO ready for a new company to come in here and start making some money and start distributing some product. So really appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining us.